Anthony Kin.
15?
EXPD and Rider Bullet.
This one?
Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we have a very busy weekend vlog. So today I have 2 science Olympiad competitions and SDYS and Korean school. It's gonna be a very busy day. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Just right.
Like smaller, bigger,
Just right.
middle.
You can even write it like 1, 2, 3. So the first one you want me to do is the longest, and this one. Then the middle.
So longest is 1. Second longest. Okay.
Yeah, that works too.
Alright.
Yeah.
Like, just get your turquoises and aquas right.
And I'll finish statement of problem, hypothesis, on variables. And can you set up the data table?
Yeah, that's what I said.
As soon as the timer starts, he's gonna set up the data table. You guys are gonna get the results of the experiment.
Oh, where's my watch?
Chest timer.
Maybe just leave here, not too close to the material table. They got clipped off from printing.
What?
Yeah, you should be glad you didn't have to do critical wave. I'm gonna be honest.
Possible, my team failed hard. Looks like I might not be good. I might not.
Quantum mechanics.
Okay, you're gonna have to find it.
Yeah. Do you know how to use Offset?
Yeah.
Can you like, do you know how to like move stuff?
Rotate. Yeah, there's like 3 arrows, right? You just shift them back and forth in every direction.
Have you ever done CAD?
Yeah.
Okay.
I took a CAD class like, during the summer.
Okay, good.
I'll train you. You know what?
There's no training.
How can you leave?
Wait, Alright, I just finished Reddit Do It, Reddit Cat It. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.